weddings, there's always a first dance for the bride and groom to come out onto the dance floor. Sometimes it's done immediately after the grand entrance, but usually it's done after dinner. And obviously it's just the first dance of the evening is what it's meant to be. But it's also considered the first dance of the bride and groom as husband and wife, as we can see right here. In this case, we actually have the groom presenting a flower. You know, we try to create the moment really special.
This is their very first dance as husband and wife. So if you folks would please put your hands together as we bring them out right now.
There's no combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but the drive of your heart.
And afterwards, we'll go right into the father-daughter dance, and then the mother-son dance. And then sometimes there'll be a family dance as well. It just depends on what we're looking for this particular event.
Remain on the dance floor. We're going to bring her father out to join her for this next one. And this is what we call the father-daughter dance. For our groom to take his mother's hand and bring her out to the dance floor for this next one. You folks, please put your hands together as we invite Mike out with his mom.